In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reCAPTCHA to an Instapage form. By the end, your forms will be protected from spam and automated submissions, while keeping the experience smooth for real visitors. We'll start on the Google reCAPTCHA site. Open the admin console, which is where you generate the keys that let Instapage talk to Google's verification service. When you create a new reCAPTCHA, you'll be asked to choose a type. Select reCAPTCHA v2 and specifically choose Invisible reCAPTCHA. This version runs quietly in the background and only prompts users if something looks suspicious, so it keeps your form clean and user-friendly. You'll also be asked for the domain where your page lives. Enter the domain you actually use for your Instapage landing pages. If you publish to a custom domain, make sure you add that domain here. Complete the setup, and Google will provide two values, a site key and a secret key. Keep them handy and secure. The site key is safe to use in page settings, while the secret key must be kept private. Next, switch over to Instapage. From your dashboard, look to the top left and click your workspace name to open the workspace menu. Choose Workspace Settings. This is where global settings live for your integration. Under the Page Integration section, click Invisible reCAPTCHA. This integration is designed specifically for the V2 Invisible choice you made in Google, so they'll match up perfectly. Now it's time to connect the two. Paste the site key into the site key field and the secret key into the secret key field. Double-check for extra spaces when you paste, as even a small typo can prevent verification. Once both fields are in, follow the on-screen prompt to connect. Instapage will validate the keys and confirm the linkage. If you see an error, the most common cause is a domain mismatch. Go back to the Google console and make sure the domain you entered there matches where your Instapage page is published. A few practical tips as you finish up. Keep the secret key confidential. Don't share it in screenshots or with team members who don't need it. If you manage multiple workspaces or domains, label your keys in Google so you can tell them apart later. And after connecting, open a preview or published version of your page and submit a quick test. With Invisible reCAPTCHA, you won't see a big checkbox. Things happen behind the scenes. But if something looks off, recheck the keys and domain settings. That's it. You've connected Google reCAPTCHA to Instapage and added an invisible layer of protection to your form, keeping spam out while keeping real users moving smoothly through your funnel.